Hi everyone, my name is Philip and I worked on Fetch.ai.
Hi, my name is Andrew Arpov, and I work on the back-end part of Fetch.ai.
What really inspired Fetch.ai is really the recent COVID epidemic. We've definitely seen a huge uptick in evictions, a lot of people having to move around to different states, relocating to different areas, and we really want to provide a solution to help displaced people and also people in low-income areas to find housing, find essential items like furniture, and also jobs in an easier and more aggregated way. This is why we built Fetch.ai. Fetch.ai is an AI-powered search engine that helps filters out spam posts and also aggregates important items like housing, like furniture, and also jobs. And we have two main pieces of technology. First, we have a NLP engine that actually filters out spam posts from websites like Craigslist and Indeed. And second, we have a dynamic ranking algorithm that works at a demo today too. So let me leave it off to Andrew to explain a little bit more.
So basically what we used in order to power our NLP engine was the Google Cloud Platform AutoML. And basically the way we did that was I gathered data sets from the internet that related to spam, such as like email spam, text spam, things like that. Then I fed that data into the Google Cloud Platform console, and it trained. After a few hours, it got an accuracy level of about 99.8%. So it filters out spam very, very well. And basically, the way we use that is that we get postings from sites like Craigslist and Indeed and things like that, right? And we send the body of text that describes the posting through the engine through a simple post request. It analyzes whether or not it's spam, and if it is, it discards that post. But if it isn't, it adds it back to a database that will be posted to the front end. Furthermore, the way we do our matching algorithm for furniture, which is one of the options for searching, is we use dynamic programming. Now, Philip and I never thought that we would ever use dynamic programming in a like modern application. So it's very, very interesting, very cool that we were able to use dynamic programming in order to create an algorithm that determines the best matched furniture for a person's needs. With that being said, that's the basic overview over how the engine works, and let's go ahead and demo it.
Yeah, of course, I would love to demo it. So get started. You go to our landing page where you can choose to look for furniture for job opportunities and available housing. So once you get to this get started menu, you have an option to look for aggregates and furniture in job opportunities and also in available housing. So let me demo furniture really quickly. So you press the search button and then you put in the city and zip code that you want to relocate to or find furniture nearby in. And then you put in a budget. This budget we will use to maximize the value of the furniture that we scrape for you. And then in this area, you can add different pieces of furniture you want. So table, add a couch, add a TV. Yeah, that should be good. And then we submit it. And now this is all sent to our backend where we have a scraping algorithm that's scraping different sites and aggregating the results and feeding it through our recommendation engine.
So you can see right now, one of the issues is obviously that it's a little slow, but that's because we're doing a lot of scraping. And one of the future implementations that we want to use and that we have right now but want to improve on is using multi-threading of the scraping.
And yeah, as you can see, it returned a pretty good combination of different types of tables, couches, TV stands, dressers, all things that we've been looking for. And it just can do the same thing across the different segments. So for jobs, for example, I can put in the city I want to find a job in and maybe my preferred role. I can put software engineer. Let's put, and yeah, right here, it should have a couple of options for you. And lastly, let's head back and look up some available housing. Same logic, put in the state and zip code, and let's put in budget. Let's put 1,500. Submit. And yeah, it returns back available housing in the area that you selected.
So the reason we created this is, as Philip already said, is very vital to, especially at a time like this, for people to be able to find low-income housing or find resources very quickly. And the thing is, there wasn't a site that acted as like a one-stop shop for people to be able to find everything they need when they're, facing hard times, or they just lost their job. So we just aim to create a very, very quick, very easy one-stop shop, so you can quickly get back on your feet. And that is a basic overview of what Fetch AI is. Thank you so much.
Thank you.